Chapter Challenge by Marco Pezzat and Tim Vedas. Newton's first law states, an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is because of inertia. Inertia is the resistance an object has to a change in a state of motion, and this is seen with my foot here.
Force equals mass times acceleration. The mass of the baseball is 0.145 kilograms. The acceleration of the bat equals 150 meters per second squared. That would equal to 21.75 newtons.
Newton's third law states, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, and that is seen with the ball being hit here. The ball is hit and it goes in the opposite direction. As soon as the ball is hit, the ball automatically becomes a projectile flying through the air. Work equals force times distance. The force is 21 newtons, and the distance is 137 meters. When you multiply that out, you get 2,877 joules. The friction between the base runner's feet and the ground was great because of the fact that the ground was not slippery at all, and the base runner had metal cleats to dig into the ground to give them a better push-off. Also, the weight of the umpire was greater because of his padding, so he will feel less of an effect than the base runner on the collision. As the ball travels upwards from home plate after being hit, the potential energy increases and the kinetic energy decreases. Once the ball hits its peak, for a very short amount of time, the ball will have no kinetic energy and all potential energy. Then finally, as the ball starts to positively accelerate downwards, the kinetic energy starts to increase and the potential energy starts to decrease, until finally it hits the ground or lands into the stands. And this is because gravity is constantly pulling the ball down, trying to get it to land. The conservation of energy says, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. And that is seen here. The energy from the ball is transferred into the air, the batter's bat, and the catcher's mask. Momentum is the quantity of motion an object has, so how much mass the object has and how fast it was moving. So the speed of the bat and the mass of the bat was greater than that of the balls, so that caused the ball to deform due to the ball's inelasticity. This is a free body diagram of a ball flying through the air, and what forces are put upon it.